Today we're going to be making a paper airplane. For this you need a paper, tape, and scissors, and some rubber bands. So the first step you need to do is you'll fold it like you do for a normal paper airplane. And then you'll fold it again. And then you fold it another time. And then another time. You want this to look more like an arrow than an actual airplane because you're going to shoot it and it's going to cut through the air. And you're going to fold it one more time. And on the other side. Okay, now you're going to fold it in half. And now it looks kind of like more of an arrow. See? The next step you're going to do is you want it to be folded like that. The next step you need to do is get some tape. And you're going to put the tape on the airplane. You're going to do it a little bit towards the end. And then you're going to do another one towards the back. And then you're going to cut it with some scissors. But you have to make sure that you're going to cut it on the right side. Like about right there, you're going to cut it. And you want it to be on the side that is opened. So you cut it. Then you want it like that. You want to be able to fit a rubber band in there. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. You can also reinforce it because sometimes if it isn't good enough, it will bend some when the rubber band is pulled on it, so you have to be a little bit careful. So you can reinforce it with tape, but I'm not going to do that now. The next thing you're going to need to do is get the rubber bands. For the rubber bands, you're going to need 2 or 3 of them. I think I'm going to use 3 rubber bands instead of 2. The more rubber bands, the farther it'll go, but you don't want it to go too far. You won't want to have too long rubber bands or it will be too long and it will be too loose. You want it to just be right. So I'm going to use 3 rubber bands and you will tie it like that. Then I'm going to do one more. And then it's done. And then you have the rubber band, and then you're going to stick it inside that slot, and then you're going to use a pencil on the other end. You're going to pull it, and then use a pencil on the other end for it to work. You're going to put the pencil on the rubber band, and you're going to loop it around so that it will stay on. And then you'll be ready to fight.